I had lower back pain, neck pain, and I was dealing with some emotional stuff that I didn't know what they were actually. So after the session, he actually healed my lower back. It was misaligned, and he also literally healed my neck. I feel so much better after. My whole body and spine feels better, and during the session I actually got to have clarity around those emotions that were kind of confusing me all week, and I got to release them, and I felt really safe with him holding space, and I feel better mentally, emotionally, physically, and I highly recommend that you guys go and try it. I want everyone I love and I know to try it. Actually, I started talking about it already, so thank you.